So in this video today, I'm going to be making a couple of Dollar Tree DIY to give you some ideas and embellishing with a DIY poinsettia. Come on with me, guys. All right, so I did have these items already in my stash, so that's a plus to begin with. Now I have a piece of felt there that's like that beautiful gingerbread color, so I'm gonna be using that. And then I have these two wood rounds, so what I'm gonna do is trace them on the same felt. After tracing these, I'm going to be cutting them out. So let me go ahead and tell you that this video is a part of a collaboration called What Would You Make? And the host of this collaboration is Divine Design, Rustic and Lace DIY. They do have a guest, and it's At Home with Chris. Now I'm going to go ahead and link their information below in the description box. Now after we cut those rounds out, now I'm just going to use the glue gun to glue them onto the rounds. After you get done gluing these guys, if there's any excess, just use your scissors and just cut around it. Now, there's one thing I'm probably not going to do is put hangers on these because there's only but so much wall space I have. So I might go ahead and do stand-up decor. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do, so we're going to leave the hangers out. I also found like these little pieces, wood decor, and they're like little gifts or an angel, a star, just little, wooden ones. I took a gift shape one, and so now we're coloring with the apple barrel. I think it's the moss color. So we're just going to go ahead and paint that gift in the moss color, and then continue to the next thing. Now I did use that moss color because basically I have a perfect matching ribbon, and it's velvety and it is beautiful. Look at it right here. I am loving that color. I'm hoping that I can find it again. So it was really very close and matching, so we're going to go ahead and make a bow here. Now, I went ahead, this is not a wired ribbon, guys. So I went ahead and instead of butterflying it, I just cut the ribbon tails at an angle. Now, here I actually had so much fun when it came to learning how to make the ribbon and showing you right now how to make the ribbon. So, I wanted to do a handmade poinsettia in order to embellish. So, you choose the size and then cut 4 pieces. So, remember, we're cutting 4 strips, and then we're going to go ahead and cut a triangle on the top, on the one end, and then also on the other end. And I need to get some more chenille stems, or I need to get some other stuff in order to tie in the center, but today we're going to use a chenille stem. So here you see me cutting. I believe I'm on the 4th piece right here. We're going to stack them on top of each other, and we're going to cut each end like a triangle. Now, I did not need that whole long chenille stem, so I folded it in half, but I should have cut it now that we are this far in the video, but I didn't. I didn't want a thick chenille stem. I just wanted the little wire. That's what I need to get, floral wire. But anyway, you line the 4 strips that I cut, and then you go ahead and start scrunching it and pinch it in the middle, and then you use the wire, the chenille stem in this case. See, you're going to go ahead and you're going to scrunch it together, all those 4 pieces, then use the chenille stem to wrap it around and pinch, tighten it as much as you can. Okay, and then you're going to cut that out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spread those ribbons out into the shape of a poinsettia. Now, once you get it as tight as you need it, you don't need that excess poinsettia unless you're going to put that on something. We're going to be using it to embellish these plaques here, so we don't need the excess. And then just kind of fold whatever's extra, just fold it into the poinsettia. Remember, you're spreading out those each one of those strips. Now we're going to start the embellishing process, and I tell you, this is one of the quickest and easiest DIYs I've done, and it's so beginner friendly, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and glue the gift wooden piece right onto the smaller circle, and then we're going to go ahead and glue that bow. Now, I forgot where I got these gingerbread felt stickers, guys. It could have been Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure, or Walmart. I love them. So you just take the sticky part off the back and then go ahead and place it wherever you want on that circle. And then I found in my stash a wreath. So that was really perfect because we're going with the Christmas theme here. So I placed the gingerbread down, and then we're going to go ahead and hot glue the wreath. And then we're going to embellish with that poinsettia. It's going to look gorgeous. Now, these two quick crafts came out absolutely amazing. Let's head on over to the reveal. Wow, I think this is so beautiful, guys. Both of them came out so beautiful, so I hope you agree. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.